This is a 2021 Toyota Hilux, protected with Starline alarm system, so they've already smashed the window. As you see, if we open the door, the system's going to trigger. If this vehicle's hit, lifted or moved, the alarm's going to go off, fire the horn, and it also has an immobiliser. So if they grab the key, do a relay attack, go into the headlight, or smash the window, climb through and plug in, get the vehicle started up, as soon as they go to drive off, it cuts out. For the customer to drive this, they have the option of going through a push sequence using the factory buttons, or they can pair up their phone, it disarms, they can drive away. But we have a code, so we have 1, 2, 3, wait for a disarm tone, this blue LED goes out, and we can now drive away. When you turn the vehicle off, the immobiliser activates instantly and the alarm system activates using the factory key. So we lock it, the system arms will get one beep, one flash, and the blue LED starts to pulse to show everyone outside there's something fitted. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.